morning, good evening, good night. One sec. We got the new digs today. Okay, got that max. Let's see how this is. We'll keep this here. All right, all right. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's see what's going on in the world today. Gold has been acting pretty crazy lately. Let's make sure everybody can join us. Today we do have some news. So I'd be afraid of this. It's 9:22 a.m. Eastern. So FOMC just is happening now, basically. FOMC member speaking. 10 a.m. is the next news, whereas FOMC is 10:30 and beyond. So expect some madness. Let's make sure that everybody can join us. Just make sure all the different sections got the memo. Cool. All right. All right, let's get to work. Even though it hit our yesterday's buy zone, I was not going to enter that. This is why. It's already like totally disrespected this zone. Like last night, so it went in. So yesterday it went in at 12, and it did okay. And then after, it totally like disrespected that. See, at 8, we were okay. Whatever, came down. We had a decent moment. I remember. Totally disrespected it. Came back up, sat there, had a decent ride. Came back down, disrespected everything, came back up, and then disrespected it on the way back up, then disrespected on the way back down. So look, just because we were sitting here now, yes, it's a decent support. It's a decent support, but it's been disrespected so many times. I'd rather find something else. Right now it's at today's open price, yesterday's close price. It could totally like tank from here. We have market opening in 5 minutes. I'm not going to be taking this chance over here. Let's clear some of this stuff. Good morning, Fahad. Fahad, is the quality better today? The stream quality. Is it better today? Let me know. Yeah? Okay, good. Got a new computer, finally. It's waiting for it to arrive. Got ourselves a new MacBook Pro. Courtesy of Amex. Where is this? Where is this? Oh, it's down here. Okay, okay. Today we're gonna play it safe. I say that every single day. But right now we are like consolidating here. Like we're consolidating in here. I don't want to be putting in, like I don't want to stay in this area. So I'd rather get something out of here. If it comes back to this, sure. Today might be no trades. I would be happy with no trades, actually. We'll take this buy if it comes down here. No trades. Thanks, Fahad. Yeah, tell Hassan to join. We'll take this sell if it happens. We'll go for that. No trades. No trades. So that's the plan. We're going to play it safe and wait outside this consolidation. Two things can happen also. It could break through, but if it closes, if it closes below, like if it comes down and closes below, then it can, then it's a total opposite. Then it's a total sell. Because during these sessions, we're looking for scalps. We're just looking for the pullback, for the quick 30, 40 pips, for catching trends. That's where you're going for the bigger amounts. Any comment about NFP? Do you mean FOMC? That's the news today, FOMC. Is that what you're talking about? On the forum? Oh, I didn't even see that there. I didn't even see NFP was there. It came out. I don't understand what it means. It was a red candle. 8:30 it happened. If I remember, I believe it like made a crazy wick here. So it went all the way up to here and then came crashing down. Basically everybody got scared and then went back to normal. See here, 8:30. Went up 35. Went up like 80 pips. Went up like 80 pips right here and then went back down. Let's see what's crack-a-lackin'. Damn. SK was... Oh, they're up early because it's in Europe time. Stefan Cassing. German. Jay Adams is on right now. This is corporate later. So we got a bonus plan bootcamp. And then SK. Official SK Trade House at 4 p.m. Put this on. Hassan. Hey indeed. Let's go, Hassan. Hassan's killing it. Hassan's showing up everywhere. Facebook, everything. The algorithm knows. The algorithm knows that you like him, which is good. He's a very determined guy.
showed some multiple models to go to the upside, and now we've given away to that, which brings this potential area of liquidity on XAU USD. So let's just see what happens if we can get tapped in there, and if not, no harm, no foul. Okay, and again, we see what gave way to that move. You have this kind of, if you can call it a triple top if you want. I just supply, right? Pushes away, second push, market comes back up. This is a classic move, reaccumulation. Okay, and the market's trending down, and the market reaccumulates.
Have you made a risk management? I hope so, Hassan. Hassan is learning.
That prior low, and that is going to be going to look for
deny
this area to be ran.
This is true.
Okay, so if we get that, let's look at what that looks like.
This is so stupid, this news.
Okay, just like such. We get tapped in. Yes, we did get tapped in.
He is the worst.
Here we go.
Biden is the worst, not Hassan. Hassan's cool.
So we're tapped in. Good thing about this is we can start to see these double MBs being created here, even on the 1 minutes, which means demand is coming into the markets, which should get this move away.
Oh yeah, we got the news coming. Where'd this guy go? Why is he so quiet? Speak, Jay, speak. Do you know Salo FX, the Russian trader? I'm not familiar with him. He could be part of our bigger team. Maybe. The guy that Hassan has been learning from is part of our bigger team. I didn't know that till I looked him up.
Again, this area doesn't want to respect. This market could come up to this area. And you may ask, well, why don't we just sell from this area here? Why don't we just put a pending order? Because you never know. This is based on the market's cycles, things of that sort. You never know when the market's really going to move away. We've seen this a lot of times where you kind of miss that move, vice versa. And again, if you really wanted to play the safe route, instead of getting inside this, you could also self-stop this low. You can look at this as a sideways movement. You can self-stop this low. But again, this is the reality of day trading. We're just taking it minute by minute. We're kind of just waiting and seeing. Gold has been choppy, but I am confident that this is going to move away. Okay, we tapped into here and we're looking for that distribution away.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that working out. Another 138.
See, even buyers tried to engage here. Failed. They failed again.
We'll be close today down.
Sellers.
26.20. Maybe Hassan. It happens. It's possible. What just happened? Maybe 26.10, 26.15. I don't know where my audio went. My mic works, so that's good. Maybe it's this. Did I see snow today? Yeah. Today and yesterday. There's snow outside, actually.
Perfect. Have perfection. Obviously, that's the goal. We don't like to lose, but when we follow what we follow.
Oh, so is that?
Sometimes this happens.
Okay.
I've seen this a lot of times.
Okay, let's refresh that.
Down, up. It looks like it's taken away.
I think I screwed everything up. Let me do this. Okay, so if that's no good, let's. Sorry, guys. Still learning my new computer here. Let's go Safari. Let's do that. Oh, Safari. Go full margin. Oh my goodness. Please don't do that. Full margin, bad boy. I'll fix the audio. Hold on. I know what I screwed up. I just didn't know that that was going to happen. There's no way to undo that now because I already closed that. Yeah, audio is low. I have to put my ear into the speaker. It's the music. I screwed something up with the music. Also, cuz it's different setup, I don't have my actual mic set up. Like my normal mic. It's the laptop mic. So that's something I'll have fixed next week. I just got it last night, the computer. I spent like 3 hours, 4 hours configuring to make sure that I had the live stream ready for this morning. all the little other extra things I have to figure out along the way. What's Hassan thinking? Hassan is always looking for crazy moves. Hassan is not patient. Hassan is always looking for, okay, well, if it goes here and breaks this structure, then I have 20,000 pips I can catch. So I'm going to go for that. But to go to that price, it has to rise up. So I'm a genius and I'm going to put a buy from here and I'm going to make money on the way up to the sell, and I'll catch this sell for the 20,000 pips. That's Hassan. That's Hassan. Right? Tell me I'm wrong. That's Hassan. 1000%. Yeah, yeah. And minus, yeah, exactly. It's exactly right. See, Hassan, we know you already. We know you very well, my friend. I feel like a computer wizard right now. How do you make this active? This is the answer to my problem, and I can't make it work. Why? Why? I'll have to do it this way. Leave me no choice. We'll just have to hear the music in the background. Vertical stream output settings. Don't worry, Hassan wants you. We're also like that. Absolutely. Hassan, just understand. We were all like that, but we are still like that. We all think that way. The reason why we know that about you is because we are like that. Everybody is like that. You think like that, we think like that. That's the secret. We all think the same. Wow, that quality is way different. You know what? Let's try this. Let me see if I can connect my other camera, which means I can connect my other mic. Oh, no, I can't. It's too far. I forgot. Okay, that'll be for Monday. You'll have to listen to it this way. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. One, two, three, four.
Yeah, here we go. Being tapped into this structure. We need to wait for some type of ICI to take place.
Okay, let's see how this goes then. Web page.
Option 2 could be
So much consolidation. I know. I know. At the beginning of the stream, I did say I don't. I'm not too excited.
Still not terrible. 74.
I don't remember exactly what I said, so I don't want to make it up. But I think I said I don't want to trade.
Start getting its uptrend based on a higher time frame could bring this market back up here. Ends up becoming a 1 to 4. Like that.
Sorry. Wrong one. Oh my goodness. Right now I'm such a noob. Noob. You're a noob. Newbie dooby doo. Okay, there we go. Fix that up. Make it look. Where are we at?
But for me, the way the market's been lately, I would a couple options. You could scale in maybe. Really thought. I mean, I do like how it moved away from this area, being that the overall context is up. But again, we haven't seen enough for it to do that at the same time. And you know, US 30 has been quite the ride lately. Just up and down,
Okay.
up and down, up
We'll
and
leave
down,
that like that.
up and down. So we'll see. Probably not going to do too much off of it, honestly.
Let's see if this streams. Trying to stream 2 places at once. That's kind of what screwed everything up with audio. I can do it. I did it yesterday. But we'll see.
When did this move? So I won't even focus on gold anymore. I don't. I mean, it makes sense
Close
to
today.
protect this
Close
zone.
today.
At the
I
same
mean,
time,
close market.
It has been
Today less than 26.22. Yep. Yes.
for the last
Once news hits
pretty much almost 10 days
in the afternoon,
trading. Pretty much been inside this box.
like from here, from 10:30 onward, even though it's not red folders,
Last 10 trading days.
I
Yeah.
expect it to be scary movements.
It looked like it gave clear direction from last night. Yep, last night. Yesterday. Now she says other plans. So again, just sit and wait. Other market movers from this week. CHF was one. Then odd USD is another one.
Have you encountered some people like first they ask what you do or how much you earn, and the moment you answer, they ask for like $50, $100? Yes.
The market became shaky when it pushed away here.
You'll experience all of that.
Retests, big move there. Last thing I want to touch on before we head off for the weekend. Yeah, a lot of you
There will
guys
come a
did
time where you start to have
see this lately.
some success or
We top at
things are
50
going
stuff.
well, or you're doing okay,
Indexes or Forex.
and you
Now,
put in all
there's
the
all this
work,
news on
and then people ask you, what do you do? And you say this or that, whatever. I never say I'm a trader. I don't say I'm a trader.
Let's look at it.
I'll say I do speaking, I do sales, I'll say I'm an author,
Okay. What's happening next?
whatever,
Well, we can see
affiliate marketing,
here,
social media marketing. I'll say whatever,
pushes away.
but never
pushes
say
away.
I'm a trader.
Now the
I'll
market
say,
is entering
and I
the
like
next
trading, or I
accumulation.
like to trade.
One, vice versa. So this could be.
I put trading as like the last thing on the list.
Cost averaging. This is not financial advice. It's what I'm seeing on a chart. Ideally, what
I used to put it first. Yeah, I'm a trader. I like trading. That's what I'm into. Or crypto. Worst thing you could do. Don't even say that. So you're a millionaire. So you're this. You must make crazy money. Or you're a scammer. crypto. You're into crypto. You're a scammer. How does that have to do? You buy $100 of Bitcoin. How are you a scammer? It makes no sense. I turned $18,000 into $95,000 in crypto. How am I a scammer? I bought coins, they went up, I sold the coins. How am I a scammer? I took no money from anybody. I wasn't coaching, I wasn't nothing. I was buying crypto and then selling it. So people are going to ask you for things and they want handouts. That's why even the free group, I make sure, like, that's why we don't just let people in. You notice how we let people in slowly? And for you guys, some of you, I had a conversation first. Because the same mentality of someone saying, can I have $50 or $100? You'll find the same mentality with people with trading. Can you teach me this? Can you teach me that? Can you show me this? I'm doing this. What am I doing wrong? And it's like, if you're not willing to learn yourself or take the initiative yourself or educate yourself, like if I provide the tools, but if you want me to do it for you, I don't want you in the group. Because that happens. That's why I'll always say we're not looking for beggars. We're not looking for charity cases. We're looking for serious people. See, you guys are serious people.
Besides that one goal.
The people in our paid group, like the people that are on this live, they're serious.
Goal has been fairly shaky. We had to take a stab at it. Is what it is. Happens. And we'll just live to see another day next week.
Like, I'll show you.
We can do US30 looking promising, but
look,
nothing.
We have a whole chat here.
So we'll just have to wait for that as well, and wait to see some distribution on US30 if it's going to give it to us.
Oh, I didn't.
Today.
Look.
Get back to that chart.
We have a whole chat. See? Hey, was that your book? Can you show up again, or how to see that book, free or paid? Yeah, I'll show you. It's back up on Amazon.
Keep my eyes posted. Until then, guys, I appreciate you guys hopping on here. Usually it's a lot better than this on our sessions, but at least you're learning a lot. Okay, that's the big thing. Understanding how to read markets, so on and so forth.
See,
now, I will say.
Remember I said to you guys.
Talkative much in the Telegram.
I'll drop the link to the book on Amazon. The Amazon link, I'll drop it in the Telegram. That's what I meant to say. So, what was I gonna say? Okay. So, sometimes you see me talking to people that aren't on the YouTube. I'm talking to some of the people that are on that other chat. Like, we have other Telegram channels and stuff too that you guys obviously don't see. And just like this Learn Live session, I encourage a lot of our members to be on these sessions, on the Learn Live sessions, because that's what they're paying for. I do these YouTube lives for free as a way of, like, bringing in new people, meeting new people, and giving back for free. Because there's a lot of nonsense out there. So at least I know what I'm putting out is genuine. That's why I'll always say, I'll never ask you for money. Yes, we have paid memberships. We do, and I'm very open about that. But you can also find something for free. And that's what we have. We have something for free, and we have things that are paid. Because how many times, and it's happened to me, how many times do you come across things that look good and look very promising, but you have to pay first? And that's okay if you have to pay first. Like, that's okay. But you don't know if it's actually real. It just seems really good. I don't mean too good to be true. I mean, it just seems good, and it looks like that's what you're looking for. And then you pay, and then you find out it was nothing like what they said, and you just lost your money. So I'm going to say misleading. I'm not going to say that it was a scam. I'm going to say it was misleading. Like, they promised you this, and it's less than that. Kind of like the president. They promised those people that Biden was the solution, which obviously he wasn't. Wait a minute. Let's capture 2. Wait a minute. Man, this consolidation is... Oh, it's fixed. There we go. She's affixed now. Mamma mia, she's affixed. So it's 10:18 in 12 minutes. Let's put a timer so we don't forget. In 12 minutes, now I can put a timer and my computer won't crash like before. Let's put 12 minutes. Where's the timer here? Let's close this. Okay, we'll make it exactly. Perfect. Oh, timer, where are you? Excellent. That was Bitcoin. Wow. Playlist finish quick. News in 10 minutes. NFP didn't give a big move. Yeah, NFP just had a little spike and took off. I didn't even realize that that was NFP in there. I didn't even look through it. I just saw everything else. I didn't even realize. Oh man. Let's see this. What's that sound? I was fighting with a bull. What I'm trying to do is take my setup, my previous setup, my camera and mic, and see if I can hook it up to this. Allow accessory to connect? Absolutely, yes. We have news in 8 minutes. You like that sound? In the meantime, of course, if you haven't by now, make sure that you like and subscribe. Get some free game. We go live daily. Except for the days that we don't. Chem main OG. Okay. Cap card. Oh, wow. I'm liking that. Oh man, that's awesome. What just happened? What? What do you mean what just happened? What happened? What did you see? Was I upside down? Or something like that? I'm trying to set something up. That was my old camera. So I just hooked it up and I'm just trying to configure it. But then I accidentally... Oh, that's why I gotta get rid of the whole thing. Jeez. Okay, so I can't do that. I have to make a new scene. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Basically, I took my camera and mic from my old computer while we wait for news, and I put it here. Oh, reset this? No way. So I'm trying to set up the mic and camera. Accidentally clicked your channel and came back to live and you were upside down and I was like dead. Well, at least you got a good laugh. That's always good. I'm happy you got a good laugh. We have news in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. That should tell you how long the delay is with this. I set the delay for 5 seconds. Now I can. Copy. This is so much easier. I can't even tell you how much better this is. Okay. I think news will be bearish. I mean, it could be. They're gonna start speaking at 10:30, whatever it is. Let's see if we can even see anything. Business News Network. Let's go to the American one.
Were added in November, more than double what economists were expecting. The market's probability of a 50 basis point rate cut has increased this morning, and the Canadian dollar has dived. Shares of Laurentian Bank of Canada are rising as well by more than 6.5%. This comes after the Montreal-based lender reported increased profit and better than expected revenue in its latest quarter. Provisions for credit losses also fell by nearly 60%. Laurentian says it's narrowing its focus in line with its strategic plan to concentrate on areas where it can be more competitive.
Oh my God. I'm not gonna say anything. Let's have a good day. Okay. Okay. Let's be nice. Everybody is beautiful in their own way. Okay, Fahad, holy. You're gonna get me canceled, Fahad. That's gonna be the new sticker for the chat. That's the new sticker. Okay, so it's in the recording. That's the sticker for later.
On Donald Trump winning this election, and I think for very principled reasons. In some respects, you could argue that a Trump administration could be bad for Tesla, given it might reduce EV mandates. But since the election, Tesla's market cap is up 47%, and I think the public is feeling that Elon, in addition to being a winner in business, is now a winner in politics as well. And we've seen SpaceX rise significantly on our platform. It's obviously about to, they just announced not announced, but it was disclosed by Bloomberg actually that they are doing a $350 billion tender, which is up 65% from the previous tender earlier this year. And so there's clearly a lot of investor interest in anything Elon at this point. He's got several other companies, including XAI, which is also seeing significant
I was imagining
increase
she
in
gonna open her
valuation.
mouth.
He's got Neuralink, he's got Boring Company, he has Twitter, which is now known as X. So there's a lot of halo effect around Elon Musk right now.
Explain exactly what is the plan for this tender offer in the securities of SpaceX.
Yeah, it's what they've been doing. They've been doing this for several years now. They are a private company and they want to provide liquidity for investors and employees, and so they raise capital into the company and they redeem shares. So they basically it's a secondary transaction. They've been doing it 2 or 3 times a year very consistently, and this is just another round of a tender offer, and it enables them not to have to go public. One of the reasons companies go public is so that they can provide liquidity for shareholders, and this enables them to provide liquidity and still remain a private company. And so that's the process by which this tender should unfold.
I see in some notes that you've provided to us that you're starting to see renewed interest in X, the former Twitter. Are you suggesting any kind of
All right, Borat.
Invest in the private markets, in the emerging markets, where there's still not as robust a banking system, but extraordinarily interesting entrepreneurialism that needs this private capital.
I need to ask about ETFs, but you talk about these acquisitions. I have to ask, do you have any more plans?
I think it was Hassan.
From
you were asking like where you can watch the news of them speaking.
And when we do something, you'll be the first to know.
If they share it, it would be here. There's other channels. I don't know where to see them, like for free on
because it's interesting.
on
we
the
were
internet.
talking about that $1 trillion
But this would be
mark
one
that we
place.
surpassed here. It's a big moment, right? And if you think about the growth moving forward, where is it most going to come from? Because it's no longer the days of just buy the index and walk away. People are really worried about concentration risk. So what would you dive into? What are your clients diving into right now?
I think your first point there is extraordinarily important. This is no longer an age of set the dial and walk away. The tide will not lift all boats. The world is so complex right now. There are geopolitical changes that are going on, obviously. Demographics and population is effectively peaked, and this kind of big driver of consumption is pulling back. We have to think about that. Clearly, the cost of capital is much higher as well. So it's a much more complex world. I think you're exactly right. One has to be much more active in the marketplace and pick and choose. So broadly, from an investment perspective, we actually
TikTok
see
faces U.S. ban after appeals.
Where to go.
TikTok's not going to be banned.
World, as we talked about, and take fixed income even more so. So there should be a big move from going from cash to investing in the fixed income landscape right now. But not all fixed income is created equally either. So for instance, if you're going to go into corporate credit right now, corporate credit spreads are the tightest they've been in a very, very long time. On the flip side, on the securitized side, there's significant opportunity. Things are cheaper than they've been over the past decade on average. So we believe it's a securitized area, whether it be JAAA, JBB,
Securitized.
the JMBS,
Let's
the
do
mortgage-backed
this.
securities that we have, some of the short-term areas that we have, like vanilla, JSI, which is securitized. We see enormous.
You know, it's nice being able to do
But to zoom
extra
out a little
things
bit,
and your
again,
computer
viewing this
not
world of have and have-nots, think about our
overheating.
equities portfolios. We see enormous opportunity on our equities portfolios. We think global small cap and small cap in the US and around the world will be a huge opportunity for folks to invest in. Again, not because the tide will lift all boats, but because there'll be alpha creation between the haves and the have-nots.
Right.
And that's what we do for a living at Janus Henderson.
So you bring up JAAA. That, of course, is your AAA rated CLO ETF. It is absolutely dominant in the space, by and far the biggest there with almost $16 billion.
AAA,
There's an
Triple
interesting
H.
innovation this week in the CLO ETF landscape. We had 2 private credit CLO ETFs launch, and we're not talking about true private credit, you could say. Of course, we're talking about a pool of loans rather than one borrower working with one lender here. But what do you make of those funds? And given how dominant you are in the space, is that something that we could see from you?
So I think it depends on the liquidity of the underlying asset base. In an ETF, the expectations are that an investor can come in and redeem, and it's
See, I can make things happen now.
It's private. Typically, that's much more difficult to then get that liquidity out of it. In particular, so if you're not negotiating with one person, we actually have a pool, exactly as you described it, of loans. It's really hard to get that liquidity in some of those instances. If it's a pure private,
He's talking about
I
us.
think that's a little bit
See, he
of a
said
leap
liquidity.
right now.
That's us.
If you can
We're the
imagine
liquidity.
a public-private combination, we have the securitized private side with Victory Park Capital, and then we have the securitized public side with the team that we have in the US and also globally. That mix could be something quite interesting because you could apply the liquidity from the public side and then have the better returns on the private side. But pure private, to me right now, I think we'll have to see what happens with returns. I'm not super excited about those.
Ali, great having you in. Really fascinating stuff. Ali DeBage there of Janus Henderson.
What do you think? How much money single candle holds?
Yes.
What is it?
ETF IQ has.
I know you have a
I
show.
like the
No,
question.
I have a newsletter,
I'm looking at
too.
the
We
wrong
have
camera.
ETF IQ, the
So used to
television
that
show. We
camera.
have ETF IQ, the newsletter that comes out.
I like the
Fridays
question.
at 2 p.m. You can
How much does a
subscribe
single
at
candle hold?
Bloomberg.com/newsletters.
That's exactly what we should promo.
That's a
because
good
you'll
idea.
probably use some of this.
Yeah.
You could use some of this interview.
I definitely will.
That clearly.
So, if only that were how it works. But it doesn't work that way. You can, with your brokerage, you can look and see how much volume is happening every single second. You know, so many shares, so many orders, whatever. You can kind of see there's like order flow charts, and how much is sitting at a certain place is a better way of looking at it than how much does a candle hold, because it's all about liquidity resting at certain places. And when it's resting, all it means is there are orders there to be executed. Well, so like a guess, you're asking for a guess. So the Forex market moves like $6.6 trillion a day. So how much is there? In the billions. Easily in the billions in one candle.
There has been an opportunity for there to be an experience on mobile that is centered around gamers. Like, we talk a lot about how there's 3 billion gamers in the world. 2 of those billion play on mobile, and half of those actually play on mobile and they play on another device. But there isn't actually a gaming platform and store experience that is centered around players and goes truly across device, where who you are, your library, your identity, your rewards, that travels with you versus being locked to a single ecosystem. And we've recognized that opportunity for a long time, but we wanted
Should I call
to
her
make
Mr.?
sure that anything we
No.
built was really grounded in people who play
Down, boy,
video
down.
games and the
Be
creators of them. And
nice
so
to people.
being joined with a team that has real deep expertise in mobile
The
is
other one?
important to us.
The other one, we all thought of the same person. I know we did. I know you thought of the same person. That was the shocking part.
Bloomberg Surveillance covers the latest in global markets and the political events that influence your world. Join Jonathan Farrell, Lisa Abramowitz, and Anne-Marie Horton.
You gotta be nice.
Only on Bloomberg. Context changes everything.
Morning, this is Bloomberg.
You know who I was thinking of, right? right? Type it in the chat if you know who I was thinking at. If you know their name. I know their name. Even Hassan came out of nowhere and laughed. For sure. Hassan for sure woke up his family laughing.
And on-the-ground reporting from across the continent. Tune in to Daybreak Europe, only on Bloomberg Television. Context changes everything.
Join me each week on Wall Street Week for stories of capitalism from business, markets, economics, tech, and climate. More than what you need to know, it's what you need to think about.
Good morning from our world headquarters in New York. I'm Menace Credit.
And I'm Danny Berger. Let's set your agenda.
Bloomberg Brief delivers the market news, data, and analysis you need live every weekday, only on Bloomberg. Context changes everything.
Yeah, that's exactly who I was thinking, Fahad. That's exactly who I was thinking. Yep. I told you. I'm looking at the wrong camera again. I told you. We all thought the same person. That's why I froze.
Two U.S. seaports made it into the top 100 of the World Bank's.
But when I realized it wasn't that person, that's why I'm like,
David Weston spoke with S&P Global's
let's be nice here.
Port
Let's be nice.
Intelligence and analytics about why U.S. ports are inefficient and how they could be improved.
You have ports with different characteristics and different profile of calls. You have some ports that are strongly focused on imports, some ports that are strongly focused on exports, or as you say, others strongly focused on transshipment. But all ports should have the capability to do what they do very well and to work vessels as efficiently as possible. The data shows the amount of time it takes to turn around vessels, cross-referenced with the workload achieved in that time. The methodology is standardized across all ports.
Moment of truth.
It's not perfect.
We're back on
it
OG
has
camera.
A very important function to enable a focus on identifying the opportunities for improvement and helping to de-risk this critical sector.
Tell us about those opportunities to improve efficiency. What are the basic
OGOP.
steps at a port, and where
It's
are
just
the
easier
ones
for me
where
so I can
we
look
find
straight.
the most efficiencies and make the most
That didn't
improvements?
sound right. So that I could look straight.
Yeah,
So I could look forward
in order to improve
instead of down
efficiency,
on the laptop
the
camera.
port has things that it can control quite effectively, but there are other things that are more difficult to control and in some cases perhaps even impossible to control. Things you can control are clearly good processes and planning around things like gate planning.
New one captures quality and old one captures. I like that.
Scheduling, equipment
I like that.
maintenance, and that sort of thing.
You're like a romantic poet,
Organizational
Fahad.
limitations that impact efficiency. You have ports that can operate 24/7. You have others that are limited in doing so because of maybe labor framework agreements.
You've been upgraded from your P. Diddy name of Fahidi
if you're able to operate
to
24/7,
something more romantic like Shakespeare.
you can drive
So we'll
a
call
lot
you
of additional efficiency into your operations. Some ports have physical limitations,
Shakespeare.
Perhaps navigation issues or tidal issues that they have to contend with that will also impact efficiency. You may have infrastructure challenges, either planned or unplanned. Natural disasters can take heavy port infrastructure
Infrastructure
offline, or civil
challenges.
works, and maintenance can also impact
InfoWars.
the usage
What
of
am I writing?
infrastructure.
And that was S&P Global's head of port intelligence and analytics, speaking with David Weston. You can catch Wall Street Week every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Coming up, we'll speak with the CEO of Ducati Motors. All about
I wouldn't be
motorcycles.
surprised
This is
this were
Bloomberg.
true. Hell's Kitchen. It's so disappointing. It's so disappointing to see Hell's Kitchen, because when you watch the show and then you go in person to eat at Hell's Kitchen, it's not the same place. It was filmed in like a studio in LA. And Hell's Kitchen in Las Vegas now they film some episodes, but most of what you see was in a warehouse in LA. I'm in a type of country where people are so average and don't think to be above. Like, I learned English trading all by myself. No father's money, no given network, all by myself, brick by brick. That's like my algorithm. Even I feel uncomfortable sharing my dreams to people near me. That's a good sign. I hope you know that. That's a good sign if you feel uncomfortable sharing your dreams with people around you. Because it means you've outgrown your circle and you need to find a new circle. At the same time, you need to realize people don't care about your dreams. People don't care. At some point, you think to yourself, hey, I'm having success and I'm moving forward and things are going good for me. I'm going to share it with someone that I trust or is close to me, because I feel like if they shared with me, I would be happy for them. So I'm sure they'll be happy for me. You will learn in time. A lot of the people that you care about really don't care about you the way you care about them. And when you realize who some of these people actually are, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. And you're going to then have to find a new circle and learn to share less of that with others and learn to celebrate it yourself by yourself. The only people that really care is like maybe your siblings, depending on your relationship with them, and your parents and your grandparents. That's it. And if you have a supportive partner, like a husband or wife, or like girlfriend, boyfriend, if they're very supportive, them also. Anything outside of that is very rare. You might be lucky to have like a best friend that supports you. Maybe. But that's rare. I'm talking about in general terms. Okay? In general, no one cares. And it's a sad truth. So when you find groups of people like the group we have that are total strangers, but we celebrate each other, it's nice to have. Like if tomorrow, like when Hassan made the crazy money, we were celebrating Hassan and we were, telling him cash out and this and that. Why? Because we want to see Hassan win. We want to see Fahad win. We want to see Raj win. We want to see Bailey win. We want to see Mia win. We want to see Clara win. Everybody in there. We want to see everybody win. If tomorrow Clara says that her account dropped $1,000, we will be sad for her. If tomorrow goes up $1,000, we will be happy for her. Once I shared my big dreams about people, but people laughed at my dream. But when I came across you and your group, I feel confident and it gives me more inspiration to be more consistent. Thank you. Thank you, Fahad. I'm going to take a screenshot of that and share that on my social media after. Because that's exactly what the group was made for. Because we've all gone through it. The same way like with Hassan, that we can see the bad habits coming or like where his mentality is. It doesn't mean that what he's thinking is wrong. It just means that he's at that stage of learning. It's the same with goals and dreams and ambitions and trying to make better of your situation, trying to help your family be in a better generational situation or whatever. We all go through those stages and sometimes we feel alone. So it's nice to be in a place where you're basically the black sheep of the family or an outcast. It's me too with my family. So it's nice to have a place where you have outcasts from everywhere and not just like, for example, I'm in Toronto. So it's nice that I'm gathering outcasts, not just from Toronto, but from around the world. So we have, people from Bangladesh, people from India, people from Morocco, people from all over the US, people from Europe, some from Australia. Those you don't see because the timing is different. They're in a different place. People from the Middle East, people from across Canada. At one point, we had a big group of Caribbean. Now they're on their own. And we have outcasts from everywhere that feel the same, but not only can we relate with different perspectives, but we also have now combined different cultures. So we're even stronger. So I'm glad that the group has helped you, even if it means, like, for example, even if you never pay for any of our memberships or anything like that, like even if you never pay for anything that we offer in the chat, if you were able to learn something or be a little bit profitable or be assisted in achieving your personal goals, then the group is a success. Yes, of course, we offer paid things. That's not a secret. But we also don't force it on everybody like all the time. As you see, you know that. It's the idea of the group was for it to be a safe place for you to learn for free. Where you don't feel pressured or like they're forcing me to buy something or something like that. This consolidation is so bad. I am not talking about the coffee. The coffee is actually good this morning. And I forgot to put cacao powder. Oh my God. Hopefully it helps. Sometimes I talk too much. But what's the purple dotted line on your chart? I'm going to go to a certain time frame and tell me. So that purple line, I'm gonna give you a hint. And I'm gonna see if you can figure it out. I'll tell you, but let me see if you figure it out. So that purple line, I don't put it there. Okay? The hint is it's there automatically. That my chart automatically puts it there. And when it changes, it automatically changes. So I'm going to go to the daily time frame and tell me here's daily. Let's mark it up. Let's see if you can figure it out. The answer is on the daily. I did not buy there. Nope. TradingView automatically puts it there for me. Okay, no problem, no problem. I'll show you. I'll tell you. It's supposed to show on the daily. But it's this. Previous day close. So when I'm on the lower time frames, it's showing me where yesterday's close price was and today's open price. Also, the blue lines, these blue lines that go up the chart, I have it separating the trading day. And I have the time zone set to my time zone. So if you look, let's go properly here. See, 6 p.m., 4 p.m., so at 5, the day ended. And then 6 p.m., the new day started. Or Australia opened. Australia? No, Asia. Asia, right? Asia open. Asia, Australia. I don't remember the order. When am I coach people in Australia. I think it's Australia. 9. Nope, it would be Asia. Whatever. Asia, Australia, nobody really cares about those markets anyway. No offense. So the blue line marks the trading day, so I know what the trend was per day. And the purple line tells me the yesterday's close price and open price. Don't you have to go to the gym? Are you saying I'm getting fat? Because I am. I haven't been in 3 weeks, actually. So I'm very sensitive. What are these balloons? The heck was that? All right, cool. That's interesting. What other gestures? I don't know. That's new to me. You say because it's almost been 2 hours. Yeah, usually I'm done the live at this time, actually. Why are you trying to rush me? I'll usually finish around this time, the live, which is 11 a.m. my time. And then I'll go prep myself, get ready, and then go to the gym. today I won't have that time to go to the gym. Actually, have an appointment. So next week we start fresh back at the gym. May they appear on gang signs. Yeah. It's funny because with my OG camera, the camera is actually upside down. So on the computer, I show up upside down. That's why I showed up upside down originally. I had to flip it back up. So the balloons actually rise up, but the camera registers it upside down. So that's why you see it like it's going upside down. But then on my other screen, where I see the laptop camera, it actually goes upwards. So it's funny. It's funny to see that. Test. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Test. How about now? We got it. We got the setup. Okay. Let's fix this before we go. Put a nice compressor. Whoa, shut up, Edwin. Oh my god. Okay, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. Test. How's this? Too low? Okay, let's try this with a noise suppression. Yeah, absolutely. Fuck it. Okay. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me put it a bit further. All right. Let's check this out. That way the mic isn't so in my face. Is that okay? Yeah? Because I hear myself from my, from my stream, but I want to hear you guys. Like, is this good? Like, if I spoke to you like this every day, would this be too loud? Here, let me try that. Let me threshold like this. And let me lower it a little bit. Okay. So if I spoke to you like this every single day, would this be too loud? Would this be too crazy? So is this too loud or too low? Let me know. Perfect sound. Beautiful. So we're all set. We are all set. Good to go. So I think we're okay. In terms of, yes, Fahad, I know you're trying to get rid of me and you're telling me that I'm fat and I should go to the gym. Basically calling me Gorlock. That's the new sticker for the chat. So once I'm done the live and I can go watch the replay, watch out for the new sticker, okay? But we don't have any trade. And that's okay. That's okay. Oh, it's still showing that? Oh, my bad, guys. So, we didn't catch any trade. You're not fat. No. I've actually gotten fat. Like, I feel it. When I grab my stomach, I feel it. In the last 3 weeks, I feel that my body fat has gone up. Am I fat? No, I'm not fat. I know. I'm not insecure like that. But all the work that I've been putting in the 3 weeks that I haven't gone, yes, it's my fault for not maintaining the diet. That's my fault. But not only have I not been maintaining my diet, I haven't been maintaining my physical activity. So I have both worlds colliding. So I have the consequences of that. So I'm not fat, but I actually feel my fat percentage has been increasing. Thankfully, it's winter time here, so it's not that big of a deal, but I would like to shred it off so I can lean bulk for the summertime. Yeah, also dark circles. Yeah. It's because my light here shines like this, so if I was like this, what? See? What dark circles? What are you talking about? See what I mean? But because it's like this. Wow, Edwin, why are you so tired today? You not sleeping? Are you sick? Oh, you look better now. Wow. Fahad, thank you for sticking around. I'm sorry that we couldn't catch a trade, but we were at least profitable for the week. Monday profitable, Tuesday no trade for the live sessions. Wednesday profitable, Thursday profitable, Friday no trade. So that's still a good week. That's a very good week. 3 out of 5 days we caught trades and they were all winners. Yep, we're up for the week. So that's good. Let's enjoy the weekend. Okay, go out, have some delicious Bangladeshi food. You guys don't eat beef, right? If I'm pretty sure. You guys don't eat beef also? I'm thinking of Nepal. Napanese. I'm thinking of Napanese. And yeah, some people from India, I know. But I was thinking of Nepal. My apologies. Not Bangladesh. I was thinking of Nepal. Yeah, Raj doesn't. I do. I had a nice steak yesterday. Raj, if you're listening, I'm sorry, God bless you, but I had a nice steak yesterday, last night. Cooked myself a nice seasoned steak. And I have some beef that I cooked up also for today, my meal for today. So, thank you, Raj. Yeah, Raj is out today. I told him to go out and celebrate and have some street food. So, I will see you in the chats For those of you that are just passing through, if you haven't hit the subscribe, what are you waiting for? Make sure that you do. And of course, we have a paid and free community. Depending on what your goals are, we're looking to help 25 people be profitable before 2025. I don't care if it's part of the free group or the paid group. I have 19 more people to help. So if you've been inconsistent with your trades, or if you're not sure where to get started, DM me the word YouTube on Instagram, so I know you came from here. Make sure you follow my Instagram. I only have one account. Stay away from scammers. I will never ask you for money. If you want to send me money, you can send me all the money that you want, but we'll never ask you for money. We're not looking for beggars or choosers. We're looking for serious people that want to learn. If you want it done for you, you're in the wrong place. We don't trade for anybody. We help people empower themselves to become proper traders. If you don't want that, go to McDonald's and ask for a job application. They'll gladly take you. We're looking for serious people. Other than that, we ended off the week profitable. 3 out of 5 days we took trades, and 3 of those days were 100% wins. Take it for what it is. So today we didn't catch a trade in the morning. Maybe we'll catch one later, maybe not. Who knows? But if it means we walk away with no trade today, we're still up. So let's not give the money back to the market. Enjoy your weekend, be safe, celebrate, and enjoy some of your profits. That's why you're doing this. And save some of the rest, and let's get back to business Monday morning, or for some of you, Sunday night. And we'll start fresh all over again. Make sure you hit the like on the live here. Make sure you hit the like. And yeah, see you in the chats otherwise. See you on social media. See you Monday morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. We go live every single day. Keep smiling. Don't let anybody piss you off. And see you later.